Cardinal George Pell, Australia's highest-ranking Catholic, has died aged 81. He entered the clergy in 1966 and went on to serve as Archbishop of Melbourne and later Sydney. While an Archbishop, Pell set up the Melbourne Response, which included payouts for survivors of clerical sex abuse within the Archdiocese. It became one of the earliest responses to address sex abuse accusations in the church, but critics say it was geared to prevent scandal and could have been more generous to victims. In 2003, Pell was ordained as a cardinal by Pope John Paul II and rose to become Vatican treasurer, widely considered the third most powerful spot in the Vatican. Italian newspapers refer to him as a bull in a china shop for his forthright manner when dealing with financial reform, but Pell was credited for his attempts to make the church's bookkeeping more transparent. In 2014, Pell was called back to Australia to appear before a royal commission into institutional responses to sexual abuse in the country. The commission found that Pell had known about sex abuse in the church, but not reported it to police. In 2018, Pell himself faced court on 5 counts of historical child sex abuse.
Cardinal Pell, would you please stand?
Pell strenuously denied the charges, but he was found guilty. After spending 1 year in prison, Pell successfully applied to get the convictions quashed by Australia's High Court, who said that the jury should have had doubts about the alleged offences. Pell's name was removed from Australia's child sex offender register, but he remained the most senior Catholic to ever be accused of pedophilia. Pell died in Rome on Tuesday from cardiac arrest after a hip replacement surgery. Pell vehemently denied the sex abuse charges, which he called in an interview a product of fantasy. But child abuse victims and advocates remain very angry. They've been sharing strong reactions on social media. And we have learned that the father of a deceased ex-choir boy who alleged that Pell sexually abused him will continue his civil action against the cardinal despite his death. Now, according to the father's lawyer, this is Lisa Flynn, she says this in a statement, quote, "There is still a great deal of evidence for this claim to rely on, and the court will be asked in due course to make its ruling on that evidence," unquote. She adds that the claim will continue against the church and whatever estate Pell has left behind. Back to you.